Hi guys, today we are going to be making a pong game just like this one. It's a two-player pong game that you can play on the computer, and if you have a friend over or something, they can play too on your computer as well. So let's get started. Let's go to create, let it load, and let's go to costumes. I have my paddle costume right here. So what I did was I got a paddle and I turned it into a pencil because it's back to school theme, because tomorrow for me is my first day of school. Oopsies. So we're gonna pull out the direction and we're gonna want 0. So it turns like that. And then we're going to put a green flag on top and a forever loop. Everybody likes those. So now let's add 2 if-thens and a key space pressed. And then I'm going to change this guy to, let's see, where is it? There we go, W, the bottom one to S, and then let's go here and let's say change Y by 10. Whoopsies. Let me go change Y by 10. There we go, and we're just gonna change it to, oopsies, 20. Bottom one minus 20. And now we press the flag. We can press W and S to go up and down. And let's say, let's do another one. Actually, let's just duplicate this sprite. And I'm gonna call this guy player 2. This guy player 1. And now we're going to change this guy to up and down. There we go. So now that we have that, let's just, I already have my thing here. So I'm just going to click on sprites. Going to click on ball. I have my own costume here that I'm just going to put in. I'm just going to delete all these other ones. So I have like an apple. I'm just going to move my pong paddles where I like them. And I'm going to go here. And what we want to do here is we're going to pull it out when green flag clicked. Go to 0, point, oopsies, that's not right. Point in direction 45. And then let's say forever. Move 10 steps. Where is it? If on edge bounce. There we go. If on edge bounce. So let's see what we got. So, oh yeah, it's working. I'm just going to press save now so I don't lose my project. That'd be bad. Now let's see. So let's do it. So if it touches the paddle, it will actually turn. So let's say, let's pull out 2 if then. And let's say touching mouse pointer. Let's change the first one to player 1. The second one to player 2. We're going to go here to directions, turn 180. Just going to duplicate that, put that in the 2. And then I'm actually going to go just down here. Backdrops, and I have a backdrop that I need to upload. Oopsies, it's stuck. Oh well, let's just stop the game. And I'm just going to, it's obviously school because it's back to school. It's September, right? Woohoo! And I'm going to go there. There we go. So now we have that background, and almost have a working game. Just now let's go here to sprites. Let's go down. Yeah, I'm going to go to choose a sprite, and I'm just going to type in line, and there we go. So let's do the same thing we did for these. Let's just put this here. So when green flag clicked, and let's move it over to this guy's. Just gonna move this out a little. You can always adjust that later. So now let's do some stuff with the line, because why not? So let's just stop the game because that's kind of annoying. So we're gonna say we're gonna bring it out and forever loop an if then, and we're gonna say touching ball, and we're gonna make a new variable called player 1 score. Okay, and we're gonna make another one called player 2 score. So let's say we're gonna say change player. Let's just say delete my variable first. Let's say change, oopsies, put that there. Change player 1 score by 1. Let's just go at the top. Let's say set player 2 score to 0 and set player 1 score to 0, and let's say that. And I'm going to go to sounds. I'm going to go to effects, and I want to do this coin sound. Then I'm going to say play coin sound until done, and wait 1 second. So now I'm going to actually go grab another line and just going to drag this code in here and just change it to 2. So now let's just put this line here. We basically have our game, but I'm just going to move this down here where player 2 is and player 1. We basically have our game now. Yeah, so here we go. You can always do it, so if one player gets to, like, say 10 points, they win. But I think this is good enough for now. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you are excited for back to school. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe. Bye!